Hello and welcome back to the Comtronicle. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a picture to an Excel sheet using your Android phone. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the Microsoft app installed on your phone. If you don't have it yet, head to the Google Play Store, search for the Microsoft Excel and install the app. Once installed, open the Microsoft Excel app, sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. On the home screen, tap the plus icon to create a new blank workbook. With your new workbook open, tap the small icon that looks like a camera. This icon is for the data from picture feature. Position your camera over the printed table or data you want to convert. Make sure the light is good and data is clearly visible. Once everything looks good, tap the capture button to take a picture. Excel will process the image and display the data it has recognized. Review the data for any errors. You can tap on any cell to edit the recognized data if needed. Once you're satisfied with the data, tap insert to add it to your Excel sheet. Data from your picture will now be in your workbook ready for you to work in. And there you have it. You have successfully converted a picture into Excel sheet using Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and for more tips, and thanks for watching. Thank you.